Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. and Ms. English, the channel where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here today. How are you, Emily?
I'm great, Paul. Thank you, and how are you?
I'm doing very well, thanks. Ready for a new episode?
Me too. And before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. It helps us a lot.
Perfect. So, what is our topic today?
Today, we are talking about jobs. Jobs. Jobs.
Jobs. A very important topic. We all have jobs, or we are looking for jobs.
Yes, let's start simple. Paul, what is your job?
My job, I am an English teacher.
That's a good job. You are a great teacher.
Thank you, Emily. I like my job. I help people learn English. What about you? What is your job?
I am also an English teacher here on our channel. It's fun.
It is fun. So we are both teachers. But what do other people do?
Good question. My brother is a doctor.
A doctor? Wow, so he works in a hospital?
Yes, he works in a big hospital. He helps people who are sick.
That is a very important job.
My sister is a chef. She cooks food.
A chef? Nice. Does she work in a restaurant?
Yes, in a small, nice restaurant. The food is delicious.
I am hungry now.
My father has a job too. He is a driver.
What does he drive? A bus or a taxi?
He drives a bus, a big blue bus. He takes people to work and to school.
That's cool. My friend is also a driver. She drives a taxi.
So now we have teachers, a doctor, a chef, and drivers. Many jobs.
Yes, and there are more. For example, a police officer
A police officer keeps us safe.
and a firefighter. Very brave people.
Or an artist who paints pictures.
Or a singer. That's a fun job.
So many different jobs. And what about office work?
Yes, many people work in an office. For example, a secretary
A secretary helps with phone calls and emails. Very organized.
and a manager. A manager is the boss of the office.
The boss, yes. Every office has a boss or a manager. They help the team.
That's a good word. Team. Team. A team works together.
Yes, it's important to be friendly with your team.
This is also a good time to talk about simple phrases we use at work.
Good idea. For example, in the morning we say, good morning.
And in the evening, we say goodbye or have a good evening.
If you need help, you can say, excuse me, can you help me please?
Perfect. Please and thank you are very important words.
Yes. If someone helps you, always say, thank you.
And they will say, you're welcome.
What about in a meeting?
In a meeting, it's important to listen. If you want to talk, you can say, excuse me, I have a question.
Or I have an idea. Sharing ideas is good.
And what if you make a mistake?
Everyone makes mistakes. It's okay. The important thing is to say, I'm sorry. It was my mistake.
And also, I will fix it. That shows responsibility.
Very professional. Now, what about getting a job?
The job interview. That can be scary.
Yes, but we can make it simple. In an interview, they often ask, tell me about yourself.
You can answer, my name is Paul. I am an English teacher. I am a hard worker and I like to help people.
Perfect. Simple, clear, and positive.
Another question is, why do you want this job?
Answer by connecting your skills to the job. For example, I like helping children learn.
Or I love food and I like talking to people if you want a restaurant job.
Exactly. Always be positive, and don't forget to smile.
Another question is, what are your skills?
Skills are the things you can do well. For example, I can use a computer,
Or I can speak English and Spanish.
or I am a good listener. I learn quickly.
Very positive answers.
Let's review. In a job interview, 1. Tell me about yourself. 2. Why do you want this job? 3. What are your skills?
Perfect review, Emily. This will help our listeners a lot.
I hope so. Remember, an interview is just a conversation. Be yourself.
And at the end, they may ask, do you have any questions for us?
A good question to ask is, what does a normal day in this job look like?
Or, who will I work with on the team?
Great questions. Don't just say no questions. always ask something.
That makes a good impression.
Wow, we talked about many things today.
Yes, different jobs, polite words for work, and job interviews.
We hope it was helpful for you.
To all our listeners, thank you so much for joining us. Please leave a comment below. Tell us, what is your job? Or what job do you want in the future?
And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next episode.
Share this video with a friend who is looking for a job.
Until next time, keep practicing and have a wonderful day.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye. See you next time.